The Government of Canada has announced a GST and HST holiday break beginning December 14th, 2024 and ending February 15th, 2025. During this time, businesses are expected to remove GST and HST charges from qualifying items at the checkout. This session will focus on how to adjust taxes on selected items to prepare in advance for the implementation of this program. We recommend identifying all the qualifying items in your store prior to starting. In ClearTEQ POS, select Product Management found on the left side menu. In the Product Management tab, choose Batch Updates. In the Batch Updates program, start by selecting Create New Batch. Enter a name and description, then select Create. The new batch will be listed along with any other batches that have been created. Next, add items to the batch. Navigate to View Products found in the Product Management tab. In View Products, the items in your store that you have identified as qualifying for the GST/HST holiday break can be added to the batch individually or in bulk. The most time-saving method is to add products in bulk. This can be done by department, category, or product description. Start by filtering products by the department or category you wish to add. Products can also be added in bulk using the search tool. Once products are added, select Add Filtered Products to Batch. Choose the batch previously created and continue. To add products individually, choose Enable Batch Mode. Choose the batch and continue. The name of the batch being updated will display next to View Products. Scan or type in the item code or product description. Then select Edit in the Edit column to add the item to the batch. Once items have been added to the batch, the next step is to change the taxes applied. Return to the Batch Updates program and select Edit on the batch you wish to update. Taxes set for these items can be updated all at once or individually. To update all the items in the batch, the target field will be set to taxes. Then, set the target value field to the taxes you wish to update. Next, select Update Items. Viewing the target value field, the applicable taxes will be updated to either remove or add the tax. When there are no taxes associated with the product, none will be listed. To update items in the batch individually, select the Edit button in the Edit column. Select the taxes to be removed or applied to that item, and choose Done. To remove an item that does not require a tax change, select Delete in the Edit column. Please note that none of the changes made here will be applied until the batch is processed. This gives you time to prepare for the holiday tax break without impacting transactions prior to the relief period. Once all the qualifying items in your store have been added to the batch, wait until December 14th to implement the changes. Prior to opening your store on December 14th, return to the Edit Batch screen and select Edit on the applicable batch. Next, select Process Batch. All the items in the batch will be updated with the new taxes set. Please note this may take several minutes depending on the number of products. In the till, we can now sell items without GST or HST. ClearTEQ POS has been updated with more options to ease the process of adjusting taxes. In batch updates, existing batches can be copied to create a new batch. Start by selecting Clone Batch in the Edit column or in the header of the Edit Batches page. Items in this batch can be edited or deleted. New items can also be added in View Products, as previously demonstrated. Once your batch contains all the required products, update the items with the new tax value. Then, select Edit Batch Info to update the name and description. You can also set an effective date to automatically apply the changes in the future. Find more information about adjusting taxes using the batch editor in the Help section found in the bottom left corner. If you have any questions or need further information, please contact us.